Okay, we got a 2017 Cadillac Escalade. Basically, they left the car in 4 bricks, installed the rims and tires. So we suggested to this customer that the best thing to do is to add a shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm. No need to get an extra alarm. Besides, who wants to carry another remote control when you have this beautiful remote control that sits in your pocket? So basically, you arm it just the same way that you arm when you get out. Just hit lock. If somebody tries to bust out the lug nut locks, the alarm will fire off. And I suggest for anybody who owns this vehicle, or the Tahoes or Yukon, to buy a set of all the lug nut locks. Preferably get the ones that spin in the outside. Don't bank on the ones that come from the dealer, because they only have like 13 key combinations, and pretty much it's not that difficult to collect all the keys. A lot of their customers leave them in the glove box and it gets taken once too many times. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the rim. First of all, I forgot to arm the system. Let me go ahead and arm it. That will help. Give it a few seconds, because factory alarms, when you arm it, they take about 15 seconds to engage. And then I'll go ahead and do the same test all again. Just bang on the rim, set up the alarm. Starts the countdown and then it will fire off. Just grab the factory remote and hit unlock, and that disables it. So pretty much, yeah, for Cadillac owners, Tahoes, Yukons, Silverado, all those cars from GM that comes with factory alarm systems, they don't include any type of impact sensor, so you can pretty much destroy the whole vehicle and nothing will happen unless you open any of the doors. By the way, if you ever want to test it, make sure that you have a factory alarm system, because not in every car it comes with it. You lower down the driver's window, close the door, hit lock on the remote control, give and take, give it like 15 seconds or 20 seconds. Reach in, since the window's going to be down, reach in and open the lever, open the door, and that will start the countdown, and then the alarm will fire off. And if that's the case, and then you do have a factory alarm system, and you are a great candidate for the shock sensor upgrade. This alarm shock sensor upgrade was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. We do have free mobile service, and our numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.